Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 15th, 2022. I'm going to give you all an update into the market in Li Auto. I wanted to come in and show you all if anything changed in regards to my last price, but you guys can see it is right there. And if the market has changed, then yeah, I need to come in and get rid of my last price prediction and follow the market. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I'm simply here to show you that you can do this for yourself. You don't have to be dependent on these YouTubers out here on these streets trying to give you the plug, trying to give you the play as to where these markets are going to go. You can actually do this for yourself. Now, if you guys want to join me, guess what? The community is wide open. You guys are more than welcome to subscribe to the channel. You're more than welcome to hit the like button. You're more than welcome to share the video because I'm fully transparent on my price predictions. I don't hide the ones that go against me because I know that we can learn from those as well. And I want you all to see that while everyone else makes this so complex and complicated, it doesn't have to be. Let me show you this video right here. All right. Now, December the 13th was the last video that I did in Li Auto. Look at what I was expecting. Yeah, you can see it. I was looking for the price to go up, right? I was looking for the market in Li Auto to give me some increases in price. Now, here we are, the 15th of January. What has gone on? What has the price done in Li Auto? Let's take a look. Yeah, nothing really has gone on into the market in Li Auto. One thing I would tell you is that I should have decreased my support area from my last video or my last prediction. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to lower my support area because the market in Li Auto has told me where it was willing to prop up the price. Okay, so yeah, I need to lower that. That's the only thing I'm going to revise on this video for Li Auto. Now, basically, when you see a market in Li Auto or something like Li Auto just trade sideways, it tells you that the market is not in any hurry to lower its price. In fact, we've been in this range in Li Auto for an extremely long time. What does that mean? What is the market trying to tell us when it trades sideways? We got to think about this because it's telling us something. With all of the billions of dollars that's in this market in Li Auto, what is going on in this range? There can only be two things that go on, okay? Two things. Either people are buying here, people are selling. That's the only thing that this can cause. What do you think it is? Buying or selling? Now, from my perspective, I think you guys can see what my expectation is, what the majority of the market is doing. Yeah, they're buying, right? Because they're looking for the market in Li Auto to go higher in price. Look at this on the 3-day, okay? This is one reason why I'm still looking bullish into the market in Li Auto, right? Every time we've seen the price come down to $27.50, we saw an uplift in price. And on this last completed 3-day price bar, I mean, look at it. Pretty good spread. The volume is decent as well. It lets me know that this market is still trying to go up. Look at this on the 5-day. You know, this is even more bullish. We saw weakness come into the market in Li Auto here. We started weak, but we was able to see the market close up there towards the high of the bar. So again, there's still some strength here into the market in Li Auto. Most definitely. This is it on the weekly. Look how we ended out on the week. So overall, nothing has changed in Li Auto. This market is still looking quite bullish, especially once you combine this weekly price bar here with this one. Yep, look at that. And we're still seeing strength into the market even weeks after. So this market in Li Auto from a weekly perspective is still massively strong. Now, I'm not sure where I said my price targets were back in December. Okay, I'm not sure. You had to go back and listen. But what I'm looking at now is like $34 and even $36. Yeah, I can still see that happening. Now you guys can tell that even on this weekly price bar, the market did top out at $33.76. That's pretty close to where I originally said. And now the market is coming back down. But it looked like the market's going to get another stab at trying to break $34 to the upside. See, where else are you going to get this information? Everyone else is going to try to give you the earnings release, their future forecasts on how many cars they're going to deliver, what Jerome Powell is going to do in terms of inflation and, rate hikes, You know, they're trying to plug all of this into price movement, and that is the worst thing that you can do. You simply need to pay attention to what people are doing with money. Yeah, with their own money. And basically, what the market is telling us here in Li Auto is that they're trying to buy up the market because they're looking for the price to go up. Right? Now, once we break this channel, right? Once this market in Li Auto breaks this trading channel, right? It's going to be a massive move up higher. Maybe even up there to 40 to 46 up here to this all-time high back in November 2020. See, I'm already prepared for that. But I had to wait until I see the price break this restriction line up here around 36. So it's something that we need to look forward to in 2022. That's it. See, this is no rush. The market tells us precisely where it's trying to do, where it's trying to go. Let's look at this on the monthly. While NEO, right, has been trending lower in price, you have Li Auto and you have XPeng. Both of these stocks are maintaining their strength. Yeah, they're not trying to fall. So you guys can see that the market here is still trying to go up. So I'm still going to play the strength into the market in Li Auto. That's about it. Now, okay, listen, you all may see something totally different, which I respect, right? I understand that everyone who participates into the market may have their own thesis and their own theories. That's cool. The comment section of this video is open. I just simply want you all to start telling these other YouTubers to drop their price predictions, their price targets as to where they're seeing this price go. Now, understandably, I know that many of them say that they hold these stocks for 2 years, 5 years, even 20 years. I get it. But tell them, if you're looking for the market, if you're looking to tell people to hold these stocks for the long term, tell me your long-term price target then. Just don't tell me to hold for the long term. Give me your long-term price target. Where do you see this price being in the next 5 years then? Because it's easy for these YouTubers to come out and tell you, hey, hold these stocks for the long term, right? But you have no earthly idea as to what is going to be the price target in 5 years, in 2 years. Put them on the spot. Give them the opportunity to tell you their price target in the next 5 years, next 2 years, next 10 years. And then when that time comes, we'll do another follow-up video on these YouTubers to see if they're actually correct. Yeah, we'll just see. Because I think you all will begin to tell that these YouTubers out here pushing this information on these stocks is simply doing it for a different reason. They're not necessarily trying to show you and assist you into learning how this process goes. I am. So do it now. Give me your price target for Li Auto real quick. All right. I'm not changing mine. I'm keeping it the same. Still looking for the price to go up. $34, $36. Those are my price targets. If I can see price break above $36 as we go throughout 2022, I've already told you. I'm looking for the market in Li Auto to go massively higher. Maybe up there to test all-time highs as we go throughout 2022. But we got to break $36 first. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.